So what's up everyone, and welcome back to another video on our channel. If you've seen warnings about secure boot certificates expiring in 2026, don't ignore it, because Microsoft confirmed that older secure boot certificates expire between June and October 2026, and devices need the new Windows UEFI CA 2023 certificate to stay protected. So in this video, I'll show you how to check your PC in under 2 minutes, how to confirm the update actually is installed, and what to do if your system isn't patched. No risky tweaks, no registry editing, only official methods. So let's start without any further ado. So before we do anything else, make sure Secure Boot is actually enabled. All you have to do is press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. Type in the search bar msinfo32 and then press enter. This will open the system information. Just look for two lines. BIOS mode, it must say UEFI, and secure boot state, it must say on. If BIOS mode says legacy, secure boot is inactive, and if secure boot says off, of course the certificate update won't apply. But if both say UEFI and on, you're good to continue. Just a quick tip, if yours already says UEFI and on, comment secure below to others will know they're safe too. Now let's make sure you actually receive the new certificate. Open your settings, and if you're on Windows 11, click Windows Update, and on Windows 10 you can go to Update and Security, then Windows Update. Click Check for Updates, install everything available, and the Secure Boot certificate update is delivered through normal Windows updates, nothing extra to download. And once installation finishes, restart your PC. For most people, that's it, but if you want confirmation, here's how to verify safely. Just right-click the Start button and open Event Viewer. Expand Windows Logs, then click System. On the right side, click Filter Current Log, and in the Event ID field, type 1808, then click OK. If you see Event ID 1808 related to Secure Boot or Certificate Update that confirms Windows UEFI CA 2023 certificate is installed successfully, and if you don't see it yet, restart your PC and once more check again. There's also a second confirmation method, read only. Just press Windows plus R. Type regedit and then press enter. Now navigate to H key local machine, System, Current Control Set, Control, Secure Boot, and then look for a value called UEFI CA 2023 status. If it says updated, you're fully patched. Just important note, do not change anything in registry. This is only for verification. Now let's talk about what do you if you updated Windows but still don't see confirmation. Some devices require a firmware update before the Secure Boot certificate can apply. That means updating your BIOS or UEFI. Go to your PC manufacturer's official support website, then search your exact laptop or motherboard model. Download the latest BIOS or UEFI update available and only use the official manufacturer website. Never download BIOS updates from random sites. Install the firmware update carefully and keep your device plugged into power during the process. And after updating BIOS or UEFI, boot back into Windows. Run Windows Update again. Install anything new that appears. Restart your PC, then restart one more time if needed. Recheck Event Viewer, and if this is a work or school PC, stop and contact your IT department instead. Many companies manage Secure Boot certificate rollout centrally. Now, let's recap quickly. So, press Windows plus R, Type msinfo32, then confirm UEFI and secure boot are on. Run Windows Update, install everything, then restart, and an optional step which is check the event viewer for event ID 1808. If not updated, update BIOS or UEFI from their PC's manufacturer website, run Windows Update again, then restart, and that's it. If this video helped, hit like so more people find the fix before they expire. And if you want more simple Windows security guides like this, subscribe and check the playlist on the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.